creating a Twitter account is simple and essential if you want to connect with people worldwide. Twitter allows you to share your thoughts, stay updated with the latest news, and follow your favorite topic. Let's go through the step-by-step process to sign up for Twitter. First, open the official Twitter website or download the app on your phone or computer. Look for the Sign Up option and click on it. You'll need to enter your name, phone number, or email address and date of birth. Once you've entered this information, Twitter will send you a verification code. Enter the code to verify your account. After verification, create a strong password that is secure and easy for you to remember. Next, choose your interests so Twitter can personalize content for you. You can also follow some recommended accounts or skip this step to explore later. Finally, set up your profile by adding a profile picture and a bio that represents you. Your Twitter account is now ready. You can start tweeting, explore trending topics, and stay updated with your favorite influencers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.